New iOS 27 copy and paste feature every iPhone user needs. iOS 27 adds a useful new copy and paste feature to your iPhone. Some Android users avoid switching to an iPhone or iPad because copying and pasting can sometimes feel like it takes too many steps. With iOS 27, Apple has introduced a much easier way to paste copied text, links, and even images with just one tap using the built-in iOS keyboard. In this video, I'll show you a live demonstration of how Apple's new copy and paste feature works, and how you can start using it on your iPhone or iPad. To use this feature, your device must be updated to iOS 27 or iPadOS 27, and the Predictive Text toggle must be enabled in the iOS keyboard settings. If you're using the beta version, you can try it right away. Apple plans to release the public version of iOS 27 this fall, with broader availability expected around September 2026. Let's get started. On my iPhone 17 Pro, I've installed the iOS 27 beta, and Predictive Text is already enabled. To check this setting, open Settings, tap General, then Keyboard, and make sure the Predictive Text toggle is turned on. That's it. Now I'll open Reddit and copy this URL. Next, I'll open the Messages app to paste the link. Open any conversation, and on the first row above the keyboard, you'll see the new Paste button. Simply tap it, then tap the Send button to instantly send the copied link. The same feature also works with images. I'll open the Photos app and copy this picture. Now I'll switch back to the Notes app. Above the keyboard, you'll immediately see the copied image preview. Just tap it once, and the image is instantly pasted into your note. This makes copying and pasting much faster and more convenient than before. I think this is a really helpful feature. However, many users are still disappointed because iOS still doesn't include a full clipboard manager. For example, on the Mac Rumors forums, many users have commented that Apple should finally add clipboard history, similar to what's available on Android and macOS. What do you think? Do you like Apple's new one-tap paste feature? Or do you think iOS 27 still needs a proper clipboard manager? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips, iOS 27 features, and Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.